to old friends meet again, where all the places, talk about the places they'll be. To old sweetheart fell apart somewhere long ago. I wanted to know someday they'll meet again, and I need them more than where they'll say, maybe this time it'll be love they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end.